Hey, so this is by far the best strategy to actually use in 2024 if you want to get Udemy courses 100% free. All right. So I tried a few methods online, a lot of methods actually on YouTube and social media on how to get Udemy programs for free. There is this particular course that I was so much wanting to actually buy on Udemy, but the cost of the course was very, very high. So in this video, I'm going to show you what strategy I used to get that particular course for free, 100% free, and an advice that I want to give out to anybody that is trying to get Udemy courses for free. Most of the videos will tell you to use coupons or possibly download the courses for free either on Telegram or on some torrent websites. But the truth is, you may end up downloading viruses or malware, because that is the same experience that I have. But this formula I'm giving you is a formula that will help you get the courses directly on Udemy and get certificates for the programs as well. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to the channel, smash the bell icon for me so that every time I drop new videos like this, you will get access to them and watch these videos for yourself. So quickly, we'll go on my screen and walk you through this particular procedure to get Udemy courses for free. You have to do to get the Udemy courses or programs for free is to visit a website called Disk Udemy, okay, or diskudemy.com. So this is a website, diskudemy.com, okay, and this website will help you get Udemy courses for free. So for example, if I visit Disk Udemy, I hit on the first link up here. There are a lot of courses down here. All right, so all these courses are the most used coupons and all of that. You can see all these courses right here on Udemy. So this particular course, for example, is $39. So we're going to get this course for free right now so that you know this particular method actually works. Okay, so this here, $39.99 on this Udemy. The title of this particular course is Essential User Experience something something. All right, so the normal person will go on Udemy and pay for the course, but we're going to search from here to see if we'll find this particular course. Okay, so let me see, the search bar is here, so essential something something. Let me hit on the search bar. I think that is a course. Okay, that is a course. So the course as we saw here, let me refresh the page. Okay, the course as we saw here is, I think, $39.99. Okay, so by using the search bar, we will get the course, the same course. Okay, hit on take course. Okay, then when we hit on take course, it's going to bring us the course coupon link. All right, this is the link. So once we click on this link here, we should get the course for free, 100% free. So you see, it is free now, and we can actually enroll to the program. All right, so the same course that is $39.99 is now given to us 100% free because we have applied the coupon code. Okay, so we can check out. Okay, and all we have to pay is $0.00. I hope this particular method is going to help you get all your programs on Udemy for free. Now, if you don't find your course on diskudemy.com, it means it has not been added to the platform yet. So what you can do is still go to Google search and then search for the heading or the title of the course and then add coupon codes to it. There are lots and lots of Udemy coupon platforms where you can get coupon codes for your course, but as much as you can, try to use Disk Udemy to find alternative courses for the courses that you want to actually take. If this video was helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel. Also like the video and drop me a comment on the course that you're able to get for free from diskudemy.com, and I will catch you in the next video.